10 woodworking tools that are on another level. DEWALT DWS 779 Miter Saw. The DEWALT DWS 779 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw is a powerhouse tool renowned for its precision and versatility. With a stainless steel detent plate featuring 10 positive stops, it ensures accuracy in miter angles, making it ideal for professional-grade cuts. Its camlock handle and tall sliding fences effortlessly support dimensional lumber, while the bevel range of 0 to 48 degrees left and right adds to its adaptability. Boasting a 2 by 14 dimensional lumber crosscut capacity, this saw tackles a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. The efficient dust collection system keeps the workspace clean, enhancing productivity. Coupled with dual horizontal steel rails and a 3-year limited warranty, this miter saw is a robust choice for professionals and DIYers seeking reliability and precision in their woodworking projects. BLACK+DECKER WM125 Woodworking Workbench. The BLACK+DECKER WM125 Woodworking Workbench offers durability and versatility for DIY enthusiasts tackling various projects. With a sturdy steel frame and wooden vice jaws, it supports up to 350 pounds, ensuring stability during tasks. Its compact, foldable design facilitates easy storage, while adjustable swivel pegs accommodate irregular shapes, enhancing versatility. The workbench features slip-resistant feet to prevent sliding, providing a secure working environment. Offering a parallel clamping capacity of 4 5/8. The wooden jaws resist warping, ensuring consistent performance. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this portable workbench is a reliable solution for woodworking projects, offering convenience and stability for a wide range of tasks. WORKPRO Bar Clamps. The WORKPRO woodworking bar clamps are essential tools for woodworking projects, offering robust performance and versatility. Crafted with a reinforced nylon body and hardened steel bars, these clamps provide exceptional impact resistance for heavy-duty use. The quick-change button design allows effortless transformation into spreaders, enhancing flexibility in various applications. With a powerful clamping force of 150 pounds, these lightweight yet sturdy clamps ensure secure and prolonged pressure, making them suitable for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. The ergonomic handle and non-marring, replaceable pads enhance user comfort and protect work surfaces. The set includes 4 6-inch and 2 12-inch clamps, providing versatility for a wide range of woodworking tasks, making them an ideal choice for woodworking enthusiasts seeking reliability and performance in their projects. DEWALT DCS 334B Cordless Jigsaw. The DEWALT DCS 334B Cordless Jigsaw is a top-tier tool designed for professional-grade cutting tasks. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers extended runtime and consistent performance across various materials. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures superior control and maneuverability, making it ideal for precision cuts. Equipped with an LED light, it illuminates work surfaces for enhanced visibility, while the variable speed trigger allows blade speed adjustment up to 3,200 SPM, catering to diverse cutting needs. The all-metal, keyless blade change system enables quick and hassle-free blade changes, enhancing efficiency. With an integrated dust blower and versatile bevel adjustments, this jigsaw offers professional-level results. Accepting T-shank blades, it comes with a no-mar shoe cover to protect surfaces. With a 3-year limited warranty backing it, this jigsaw stands out as a reliable and high-performing option for woodworking professionals, offering durability and efficiency. IRWIN 2011-201 Hand Saw. The IRWIN 2011-201 hand saw is a carpenter's essential tool, delivering fast and efficient cuts with precision. Featuring M2 tooth technology and tri-ground teeth, it ensures consistent performance in various woodworking applications. The tapered pitch nose enhances clearance and stability, while the deep gullets swiftly remove chips, maintaining efficiency during use. With a thick body blade, this saw provides rigidity and control, allowing for smooth and accurate cuts. The Pro Touch handle adds comfort and durability to the cutting experience, ensuring prolonged use without fatigue. Whether for professional or DIY projects, this hand saw boasts improved tooth geometry, making it a reliable choice for woodworkers seeking precision and reliability in their cutting tasks. WORX WX051 Woodworking Sawhorse. The WORX WX051 Woodworking Sawhorse is a game-changer in woodworking, seamlessly transitioning between a folding work table and a sturdy sawhorse. With a robust design, it supports up to 300 pounds as a workbench and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, providing unparalleled versatility for various projects. Setting up and folding down is a breeze, thanks to its portable design. Integrated clamping systems with quick clamps and clamp dogs offer convenience and stability during tasks. The large surface area of 31 inches by 25 inches provides ample space, while the built-in measuring guide adds precision to your work. Crafted from durable molded ABS plastic and steel, this lightweight yet sturdy work table comes complete with 2 clamps and 4 clamp dogs, making it a must-have for woodworking enthusiasts seeking reliability and functionality in their workshop setup. DEWALT DCP5 80B Hand Planer. The DEWALT DCP5 80B Hand Planer is a powerhouse tool for woodworking enthusiasts, offering swift material removal and precise cutting capabilities. Powered by a brushless motor, this 20V Max tool achieves an impressive 30,000 cuts per minute, ensuring efficiency in every use. With a calibrated depth adjustment knob, achieve a maximum 2 mm cut depth with unparalleled accuracy, making it suitable for various woodworking tasks. The precision-machined aluminum shoes ensure a parallel cut, while the kickstand adds convenience during work breaks. Ergonomically designed for comfort and reduced fatigue, this hand planer is more than just a tool. It's a reliable woodworking companion. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, you can trust DEWALT for durability and performance, making the DCP5 80B hand planer an essential addition to any woodworking arsenal. KREG Woodworking Pocket Hole Jig. The KREG Woodworking Pocket Hole Jig is a versatile and reliable solution for woodworkers seeking efficient joinery methods. Featuring durable polymer and hardened steel drill guides, it ensures longevity and precision in every use. Suitable for materials ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, it offers flexibility for various projects. The anti-slip surface and adjustable clamping technology secure your workpiece, providing stability during drilling. Complete with KREG pocket hole screws, this jig simplifies the joinery process, making it ideal for DIYers and professionals alike. Supported by a 1-year limited warranty, the pocket hole jig showcases KREG's dedication to excellence and creativity, rendering it an invaluable asset to any woodworking workspace. Wizard Distribution Woodworking Metal Detector. The Wizard Distribution Woodworking Metal Detector, also known as the Little Wizard, is a compact yet powerful tool designed for woodworkers. Perfect for detecting hidden nails, screws, and other metal objects in recycled wood. It ensures safety and precision during woodworking tasks. With adjustable sensitivity, it allows for precise pinpointing of metal objects, while the ergonomic handle enhances user comfort during scanning. This economical and portable solution emits a high-pitched beep tone and LED illumination upon detecting metal, providing clear indications to the user. Planning, routing, sanding, or sawing, the Little Wizard ensures the safety of your tools and enhances efficiency in your woodworking projects, making it an indispensable tool for woodworkers of all skill levels. BESSEY Woodworking Pipe Clamps. The BESSEY Woodworking Pipe Clamps are essential tools for woodworking projects, offering versatility, stability, and efficiency. Designed for edge gluing multiple pieces, these clamps feature an H-shaped foot assembly for dual-axis stability and an extra-tall base, ensuring ample clearance and finger safety during operation. The large clamping surfaces on the malleable cast jaws provide strength and durability, while the Acme threaded spindle allows for fast and robust clamping action. With easy assembly, user-friendly operation, and a durable powder coat finish, these clamps are a must-have for any woodworking or metalworking project.